Welcome to AI for real folks, real tools, real talk, real results. Today, a website builder that uses AI to help you write your own site step by step. It's called Compass Club and it's built for local businesses, the barber shop, the food truck, the folks who never had a website because it always felt too hard. Let's walk through it exactly as you'd see it. First, your business name. Type it in, and the preview on the right starts building your site in real time, no code, nothing to install. Next, pick a category, then choose your color from this dial. Watch the preview change as you go. Here's the AI part. Your tagline, the one line that says what you do. If you're stuck, you press Write it for me, and the builder drafts one from your name and category. In our test, we got a usable line on the first try. You can keep it, edit it, or write your own. Then the extras. Online booking, a menu, a photo gallery, Google reviews, even a full Spanish version. Toggle on what you actually need. Last step, your name and how to reach you, and the builder sends your booth off to be built. No card up front. One honest note, AI tools change fast, so what we show today may look a little different by the time you watch this. The test date's on screen. That's the whole process, start to finish. If your small business never had a website, this is one honest way in. See you in the next one.